फैक्ट्री में लगे थे ना, नगरोटा जूस फैक्ट्री में, प्राइवेट फैक्ट्री है, उन्होंने काम करते थे तो चलो 4-5 हज़ार रुपया मिल जाता था, उससे खर्चा चला था। जब बंद हो गए तो फिर खर्चा कहाँ से करें, आज तक खर्चा नहीं है।
Empowering rural women is a long-term process. Dr. Shama Maitri, a pediatrician and the national director of CORD, has been working on a bottom-up approach.
In COVID-19 in rural India, in most of the areas that we worked, we acted like this.
बीमारी नहीं दिखदी छोटियां, बीमारी नहीं दिखदी बड्डियां, ठीक है, बीमारी बहुत बुरी है।
Even before the Janta curfew was announced, we already knew things were happening. Communicated with all the community-based organizations, about more than 1,100 over the country, and about 50,000 people got mobilized at once to work through the communities all over. Most of the women that told us that हम किसी को भूखा नहीं रहने देंगे.
These women's organizations work directly with the Gram Panchayats, which are the village governance bodies. They explore various livelihood avenues and nurture skills and capacities. CORD also provides medical, therapeutic, and rehabilitation services to people with disabilities, ensuring that they are not left out of mainstream development. This is particularly handy during a pandemic, when the most vulnerable are also the most ignored.
The vicious cycle of poverty and illness will go on unless we look into various issues that affect people, mostly women in the hills and mountains.
लॉकडाउन लग गया तो बसें नहीं चल रही, तो और ना बोला रीना मत जा बाहर, पे लॉकडाउन लग गया, वे पुलिस भी आ रही है, पुलिस ले जाएगी।
Reena Devi survived the lockdown with her government pension. CORD has supported people in availing such benefits, even helping them set up backyard poultry farms.
COVID-19 has taken us into a life that we did not know. My concern now is school children's education, adolescent girls' education, women being caught up at home with their husbands for a longer time, if there's any violence, because it takes very long for people to talk about the domestic violence. If we really want to make India prosperous, it is the grassroots at rural India that needs to be empowered through their own strengths, their own wisdom, their own initiatives, with us joining and synergizing with them, but not imposing on them.
जब ठीक हो जाएगी बीमारी तब क्या करोगे?
तब काम करेंगे, ताई काम करेंगे ना दीदी जी।